Ever wanted to study Chinese by the beach in the blazing sun? This is the video for you. Hi everybody, my name is Matt and today I'm talking about some of the most frequently asked questions we get for our Chinese courses in Beihai, a city even most Chinese people have never heard of before. Question number one, where is Beihai? So Beihai is a city located on the south coast of China, somewhere in between the northern border of Vietnam and Hong Kong. It's located right on the coast, which means Beihai is home to some of China's most beautiful beaches. And believe it or not, many Chinese people have never heard of this city, let alone foreigners. So this is the ultimate hidden gem if you want to study Chinese, somewhere a little bit different from the most mainstream cities. So question number two, how exactly do you get to Beihai? Good question. So Beihai is not served by many, if any, international flights at all. So most of the time you're going to need to fly into a major city such as Shanghai or Guangzhou, and then you'll transfer through to Beihai Airport. You can also access Beihai via China's brilliant high-speed rail system. You can pretty much find a route to any big Chinese city with the high-speed rail, and Beihai is no different. You can access it through big cities such as Nanning, Guangzhou, Shanghai, etc. So there are plenty of routes into Beihai, whether it's by air or on land by rail. If you wish to go to Hong Kong or Macau before or after your time in Beihai, that's also very possible as they're not too far away. You can access Beihai from these places via multiple bus and ferry combinations as well. Question number three, and probably one of the most interesting and most asked questions of all, what is the most commonly spoken language in Beihai? Across the country, there are plenty of different dialects, and many people worry that if they come to the south of China, they will learn Cantonese, which is the language spoken in Hong Kong. This, however, is not necessarily true. So, in summary, you will learn Mandarin in Beihai despite the multitude of different dialects that are available. Question number four, what is the weather like in Beihai? So generally you're going to get really lovely sunny weather, and there's some really lovely times to come to Beihai, but you should try and time your visit wisely. So the winter time, December through to February, they're typically very mild. They're between 13 and 18 degrees, and you will rarely see the temperature go below 7 or 8 degrees. So typically very mild in the winter and a nice comfortable time to visit. In the summertime, June, July and August, they're typically very humid. Temperatures can be anything between 28 and 35 degrees, so much warmer. And we have to say, the occasional typhoon, so do be aware of that as well. So that begs the question, when is the best time to come and study Chinese in Beihai? Well, it's actually down to your personal preference, but if we're talking specifically about the weather, October, November, December, March, April, May, these 6 months would be prime time to make the most of the sun, the lovely weather, the great beaches, and you can also improve your Chinese. What's not to like? Next question, what food can I eat in Beihai? Well, as it's a coastal city, take a wild guess. Seafood, of course, is a big staple for the food in Beihai. However, China is such a big country that the food is incredibly diverse. From Chengdu all the way up to Harbin, Shanghai down to Beihai, you will find different cuisines all over the country, and that's the beauty of Chinese food. Next question is, how do I move around or get around Beihai? This is a very good question because in China, most tier 1, tier 2 cities include a metro or an underground. However, Beihai is only 1.5 million people in terms of population, which in many countries is a big city, but in China, it's actually considered very, very small. So there is no underground system, which means the best ways to get around actually are by taxi. But hold it there, don't fret. Whilst taxis in Europe and North America may be super expensive, in China, the opposite is true. They're very cheap and they're so convenient to book through WeChat or Alipay on your phone. You can book and you can get around the city for less than a few dollars or pounds or euros. It's very, very easy. There's also a bus system as well, but it must be said this is a bit slower and a tad more cumbersome. So whilst it will be even cheaper, we would recommend the taxi as the best way to get around. We're really happy that you're considering studying Chinese in Beihai. It's a beautiful destination. It's very under the radar, very different, but still you're going to have a fantastic time. If you have any more questions, pop them down below. We will reply to them as soon as we can, and hope to see you in Beihai soon. Bye bye.